Hello everyone. So today is our topic is homeowner insurance guide, a beginner overview. Homeowner insurance, also known as home insurance, isn't luxury, it's necessity. That's not just because it protects our home and possessions against damage or theft. Virtually all mortgage company required browsers to have insurance coverage for the full or fair value of a property, usually the purchase price, and won't make a loan or finance a resident real estate transaction without proof of it. You don't even have to own your home to need insurance. May landlord require their tenants to maintain rental insurance coverage, whether it's required or not. It's smart to have the kind of protection. In this article, we walk all you through the basis of homeowner insurance policy. Key takeaways: homeowner insurance policy generally cover destruction and damage to resident interior and exterior, the loss or theft of possessions, and personal liability for harm to other. Three basic levels of coverage exist: actual cash value, replacement cost, and extended replacement cost value. Policy rates are largely determined by the insurance risk that you will file a claim. They assess this risk based on past claim history associated with the home, the neighborhood, and the home's condition. In shopping for a policy, get quotes from at least 5 companies and definitely check with any insurer you already work with. Current clients often get better deals. What a home owner's policy provides. Although they are infinitely customizable, a homeowner's insurance policy has certain standard elements that provide what cost the insurance will cover. Each of the main coverage areas are discussed below. Damage to interior or exterior of your home. In the event of damage due to fire, hurricanes, lighting, vandalism, or other cover disaster, your insurer will compensate you, or so your house can be repaired or even completely rebuilt. Destruction or mutilation from flood, earthquake, and poor home maintenance in generally not covered, and you may require separate riders if you want to type of protection. Freestanding garage sheds or other structure on the property may also not need to be covered separately using the same guidelines as for the main house. Investopedia Essentials. Try the Investopedia Stocks Stimulator. New to investing, learn how to trade in a real time or your virtual stock stimulator. Clothing, furniture, appliances, and most of the other content of your home are covered. If they are destroyed in a insured disaster, you can get often premises coverage, so you will file a claim for lost jewelry. Say no matter where in the world you lost it, there are many of limit on the amount of your insurance which reviews you. However, according to Insurance Information Institute, most insurance company will provide coverage for 50% to 70% of the amount of insurance you have to structure on your home. For example, if your home is insurance for $2,000, then you will up to about 1,40,000 worth of coverage for your possessions. If you own a lot of high price possessions, fine art or antiques, fine jewelry, designer cloth. You might want to pay extra to put them in itemized schedules, purchase a rider to cover them, or even build a separate policy. Personal liability for damage or insurance. Liability coverage protect you from the lawsuit filed by others. These clause even include your pets. So if your dog bite your neighborhood door is no matter if they. While policy can obtain a little 1 lakh thousand hotel or house rental while your home is being rebuilt or repaired. It's unlikely, but you do find yourself forced out of your home for a time. It will undoubtedly be the best coverage you ever purchased. This part insurance cover non additional living expenses would reimburse you for the rent, hostel room, restaurant meal and other accidental room service. However, keep different type of homeowner coverage. In the US there are several forms of homeowner insurance that have become standardized in the industry. They have designed HO1 through HO8 and offer various levels of protection depending on the need of the homeowner and type of residence being covered. There are essentially three levels of coverage. Actual cash value. Actual cash value covers the cost of the house plus the value of your belonging after depreciation. It how much the item are currently worth, do not how much you paid for them. Replacement cost value policy covers the actual cash value of your home and possessions without the reduction or depreciation, so you will able to repair or rebuild your home. Guaranteed or extended replacement cost value, the most comprehensive. This inflation buffer policy pay for whatever it costs to rebuild or you repair your home, even if it more than your policy limit. Certain insurance offer an extended replacement, measuring it offer more coverage than your purchase, but there is a ceiling. Typically it is 20% to 25% higher than the limit. Some advisors feel all homeowners should buy guaranteed replacement value policy because you don't need just enough insurance to cover the value of your home. You need enough insurance to rebuild your home, preferably at the current prices. You probably have risen since you purchased or built granted replacement value policy. What isn't covered by the homeowner insurance? Homeowner insurance policy typically include coverage for wide range of perils and events that can cause you to property or belonging. However, there are several common exclusions which are situated or events that not covered by the standard policy. If you want to cover for many such these specific item, you will likely need to buy separate or private coverage. There are several natural disasters occur are not include covered by the standard coverage. Standard homeowner insurance usually don't cover damage caused by the flood. Earthquake damage is typically included from standard homeowner insurance policy, while some policies include limit coverage for sudden and accidental sinkhole damage, exclusively sinkhole damage. There are some typical home insurance type costs that are not covered, especially not taken. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe this channel.